Hey friends, okay, I'm going to share with you a recipe that you're not going to believe how yummy it is, how easy it is, and how inexpensive it is. And believe it or not, we're doing chicken thighs. And you want skin on, bone in. So you see these have the skin, and then you have the bone in the middle. So that's what you want. Those cost pennies on the dollar. Okay? Then all you need, in addition to your thighs, is good quality extra virgin olive oil and good quality kosher salt. What you want to do is have a cast iron skillet, just a good skillet, because what makes this chicken so fabulous is the technique. You're going to sear it on both sides in the skillet, and then you're going to put the skillet in the oven to finish baking it till it's completely cooked. So we're going to go to the stove, and I'm just going to show you how we do it. We're about to sear the chicken. I do want to tell you that this chicken needs to sit out 30 minutes before you start searing it. You don't want to pull it from the refrigerator and then sear it, because that will make the oil drop in temperature and it won't sear properly. Now, you want to add the thighs skin down. What you want to do is leave these alone for probably 5 or 6 minutes. You really don't want to turn them until they have that good, solid brown sear. So the sizzling that you hear is good. You want to hear that. That means it's getting that skin crispy and golden. So we're going to wait 5, 6 minutes, come back, flip it, and I'll show you what this side looks like. I've turned 2 pieces over so you can see how it should look on the bottom. And then on the top, you see how golden, and don't be afraid if it gets that brown, it's perfectly fine. But this looks fabulous. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it where it's skin side up. But now we're going to put this in a 400 oven where the chicken thighs will cook completely through. They need to get to 165 degrees internal temp with a meat thermometer. I'd say 20 to 30 minutes probably for this chicken. Now, you don't have to put anything else on the chicken, but I just realized I went outside and I saw that I had some rosemary. So I'm just going to sprinkle some rosemary on top. If you have fresh herbs, you can put them on top. If you don't, no worries. So, this is going in the oven. I'll come back as soon as it's done. Okay, everybody, the chicken has baked. It's completely done. I'm going to tell you how important it is to let this sit. You want the juices to settle, and you just don't want to dig into it right out of the oven. But this is what it looks like, and I'm going to take a bite and see how it tastes. Absolutely delicious. If you think you don't like thighs, try this recipe, because I think it might change your mind. Anyway, hope this technique is something that you will use with your family, and thanks for watching, and you have a great day.